Good day, I'm Brahmalit. I'm living in South Africa, in the Western Cape, in a town called Wellington. I'm 62 years old, and I am working as a contractor. I'm working on farms doing the harvesting of grapes, lemons, and plums and olives. And I do the general farm work on the farm, like the fencing, the wire work, the hoeing, the fertilizing, and the normal general work on the farm. And then I was working with MSD and BKB for a few years. I'm working with cattle and sheep. I did sheep feedlots and cattle feedlots. Last year, 2024, I went over to the United States. I worked in a town in Florida, Newberry, on 3D Farm and Land. Mr. David and Mark Hodge. I'm working for them. I did plant tobacco, fertilize it, and do the irrigation and the harvesting of the tobacco. We also did the planting of pastures, the millets, and the seeds. I went to the seeds factory, and the general farm work, like servicing the tractor and doing bearings and oil and grease, and the general farm work, which general work on the farm, which is necessary for at the farm. So if it is possible, I'd like to apply for a job in America. I have previous experience, so you're welcome to contact me. Thank you very much.